How to reset Amazon Alexa. To reset Amazon Alexa device, you can do two ways, right? So one is you can use the Amazon Alexa app. Assuming your Alexa device is connected to the app, your device is shown within here. You go to devices section, select your Echo Dot, then here tap on this gear icon from the top right hand side. And when you go here, you can see various options. You have to scroll down, then you have to tap on this option called deregister. When you deregister it, your Amazon Echo Dot, as long as it is plugged in, will automatically factory reset itself. The other way we can do this is without the application also. If you want to perform a factory reset of your Amazon Alexa, if you have an Echo Dot with a, let's say, an action button, you have to press and hold the action button for about 20 seconds to reset or perform a factory reset. In some cases, it could be volume up, which is the, if you don't have an action button, it could be microphone off and the minus button. So microphone button and the minus button here, press them together for about 20 seconds. And for Echo Show, which means screen devices, you can do that with the UI itself. But to give you an idea, this is how you can reset it in multiple ways. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.